Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon or Mamordica charantia, is a unique and highly nutritious vegetable that is recognized for its distinct bitter taste. It is widely consumed in various culinary traditions and has been used in traditional medicine for its potential health benefits. Here are the nutritional facts and potential health benefits of bitter gourd. Nutritional facts of bitter gourd. Calories: 1 cup, approximately 94 grams, of raw bitter gourd contains only about 16 calories, making it a low-calorie vegetable. Carbohydrates. Bitter gourd is relatively low in carbohydrates, with about 3.4 grams per cup. Dietary fiber. Bitter gourd is a good source of dietary fiber, with approximately 2.6 grams per cup. Fiber supports digestion, aids in regular bowel movements, and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Vitamins. Bitter gourd is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin A. 1 cup can provide around 84% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, which supports immunity and acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin A is important for vision and skin health. Minerals. Bitter gourd contains minerals such as potassium, iron, and calcium. Potassium is important for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm and regulating blood pressure. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood, and calcium is important for bone health. Phytonutrients. Bitter gourd contains various phytonutrients, including bitter-tasting compounds called cucurbitacins and antioxidants such as flavonoids. These compounds contribute to its potential health benefits. Health benefits of bitter gourd. Blood sugar regulation. Bitter gourd is known for its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that compounds in bitter gourd may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Antioxidant properties. Bitter gourd is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. Weight management. Bitter gourd is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it a good choice for those seeking to manage their weight. Its fiber content also promotes a feeling of fullness. Digestive health. The fiber in bitter gourd supports healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Bitter compounds in the vegetable may also stimulate digestive enzymes and promote better digestion. Heart health. Potassium in bitter gourd helps maintain proper heart function and regulate blood pressure, contributing to heart health. Immune support. The high vitamin C content in bitter gourd strengthens the immune system, helping to fight off infections and support overall health. Skin health. The antioxidants in bitter gourd may promote healthy skin by protecting against free radical damage and maintaining skin elasticity. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some research suggests that bitter gourd may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial for conditions characterized by chronic inflammation. It's important to note that the bitter taste of bitter gourd may not be appealing to everyone. However, its potential health benefits make it a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially for those looking to manage blood sugar levels and promote overall health. If you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on incorporating bitter gourd into your diet.